every 7 seconds. That's how often a worker gets injured in the United States. Not per day, not per hour, every 7 seconds. And one of the biggest, most preventable cause, a missing machine guard, or one that has been disabled, bypassed, or just never installed correctly. Today we are talking about OSHA's machine guarding rules, what they are, why they exist, and what happens when they are ignored. Let's get into it. And the question arises, why does machine guarding even exist as a law? Let's look at the numbers. Over 18,000 amputations and crush injuries happen every single year, just in the United States. And a single OSHA machine guarding violation that can cost a company 50,000 or more. Oh, and here is the kicker. Machine guarding is consistently the number one most cited OSHA violations, year after years, which means companies know this is a problem and still they are not fixing it. OSHA standard 29 CFR 1910 212 is a crystal clear for that. It says if any part of a machine can cause injury, it must be guarded. There are no carve outs, no exceptions, no, we don't know this in this class. Okay. Now let's talk about types of guard. Guards come in four main types, and this is where most people get confused. First, fixed guards, which are permanent, solid, always there, no moving parts. If your machine does not need human access during normal operation, this is your gold standard to install the fixed guards. The second one is interlocked guards. These are connected to the machine's power system. The second you open the guard, the machine shuts down. You see these on CNC machine, press breakers, and high powered pressers. Third one is adjustable guards. These can be repositioned based on the size of the material you are working with. Table saws use these a lot. And the fourth and last one is self-adjusting guards. They literally move with the material. The guard open just enough to let the stock in, then closes back. These are common are circular saws. The key takeaway here is the type of guard depend on the machine and the task. Always remember, one size does not fit all. And here is the tricky part. OSHA identifies three distinct danger zones on any machine. Number one, the point of operation. This is where the machine actually does the work, like cutting, drilling, pressing, forming. It's also where the most gruesome injuries happen. OSHA mandates that if any part of a worker body could reach the point of operation during normal use, it must be guarded. Number two, power transmission apparatus. This is everything that moves the power from motor to machine. Belts, pulleys, flywheels, chain, gears. Workers often don't even notice these, but they are spinning at dangerous speeds. A loose sleeve, a loose gloves, that's all it takes to cause the injury. Number three is other moving part. Anything that moves on the machine that does not directly do the work but still possesses a hazard. These may be like rotating shafts, arms, cams, etc. OSHA says assess it all these three zones. If it moves and a worker could contact it, protect them. OSHA does not say just to put guard on it. They specify exactly what that guard needs to do. 5 requirements for every guard. And your guard must meet all these 5 requirements. Number 1 is prevent contact. The guard must physically stop any body part from reaching the danger zone. Not kind of stop it completely. Number 2 is be secure. If a worker can remove that guard with their bare hands in 30 seconds, it's not a guard at all. It's a suggestion. OSHA require that guards must stay in place. Number 3 is protect from falling objects. Guards are not just about keeping hands out. They also keep debris, fragments, and material from flying into the machine or outward towards the worker. And the fourth one is create no new hazard. This one trips people up. If your guard has sharp edges or creates a pinch point of its own, you have solved nothing. The guard cannot be the problem. Okay, you must ensure that it has no pinch points. And the fifth one is allow safe lubrications. Machine need maintenance. OSHA want guards designed so that ideally worker can oil and lubricate without ever having to remove the guard. If removal is necessary, there must be a log out take out procedure in place, which coincidentally is our next topic. Let's get real. Here are the most common machine guarding violation OSHA actually cites. And I want you to hear these because they all sound familiar. Number 1, guard removed for faster production and never put back. This happens every day. A supervisor says just for now, and just for now becomes the month until someone gets hurt. Number 2, no guard on rotating power transmission equipment. Out of sight, out of mind, and until an arm gets caught in a pulley. Number 3, improvised guards. Cardboards, duct tape, zip ties. I have seen it. These don't meet OSHA requirements, and OSHA inspectors know the difference. Number 4, worker trained to work around missing guards. That's not creative problem solving. That's a lawsuit waiting to happen. Number 5, point of oppression unguarded on manually fed machine. This is where finger get amputated. These fines, they range from 1,000 to 1 lakh 50,000 above per violation. That's before you count legal cost, worker computation, and human suffering. Here is the core question this entire topic is named after. Do you guard it or do you stop it? Well, when the machine is running normally and your worker is in position doing the job as designed, the guard is your answer. Fixed, interlocked, adjusted properly. That guard protects them throughout production. But the moment thing changes, maintenance, clearing a jam, adjusting parts, servicing anything, you stop the machine completely. And we are not talking about just hitting pause. We are talking about log out, take out, which we will cover in depth in another module. The golden rule, when in doubt, stop. A machine can always be restarted. We cannot bend a worker's hand. We cannot undo a fatality. The decision tree is not complicated. It's the discipline to follow it that matters. Let's close it with four things you can act on. Not next quarter, but from today. First, walk your floor. Physically go to every machine on your site. Locate every moving part. Ask yourself, is there a guard? Does it meet OSHA 5 requirements? If the answer is no, you either fix it right now or you stop the machine until you can. Second, document everything. Build a machine guarding inventory. What machine, what guard type, last inspection date, who inspected it. This is your paper trail when OSHA knocks. Third is zero tolerance for bypass. This is not about being harsh, it's about building that culture. When workers see that removing a guard has no consequences, they will keep doing it. Address it every time, okay? Fourth, fourth one is train your people on the why. Rules followed without understanding fall apart under pressure. When workers truly understand that this guard is the only thing between them and an imputation, they don't remove it. They became they became your best enforcer. Machine guarding is not a checkbox; it's a commitment to every single person who operates that machine. Guard the machine, protect the people. That's the job.